We live in a world more connected than ever, yet we've never felt more alone. And the worst part, most people don't even realize it's happening to them. This isn't just about loneliness. It's about your health, your wealth, and your success. Studies show that strong relationships are the number one predictor of long-term happiness, and yet we're actively destroying them every single day without even knowing it. The way we communicate is broken, but today I'm going to show you how to rebuild real human connection fast. Think about this. When was the last time you had a truly deep conversation? The kind that left you feeling energized, not drained. If you can't remember, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple framework to bring back real, meaningful connections into your life. We've all been there. You're talking to someone, but mid-conversation, they check their phone. Maybe you do it too. But what you don't realize is, every time this happens, it weakens the relationship. Your brain registers it as, this person isn't important. What's the solution? Try the phone stack challenge. Next time you're out, put your phone face down. Or better yet, stack them in the middle of the table. First person to grab their phone pays the bill. Most conversations stay at the surface. How's work? Busy. How's life? Good. Or with my kids. What did you learn at school today? Nothing. But depth is what creates connection. So what's the solution? Use the 2-question rule. After someone gives a basic answer, ask, well, why is that? Or what's the story behind that? Watch how fast the conversation shifts. You want deeper relationships, but you're afraid to open up. That's normal. But vulnerability creates trust. If you never share your struggles, people won't feel safe sharing theirs. What's the solution? Start small. Share something minor, like a challenge you faced at work. See how the other person responds. If they engage, open up a little more next time. Maybe you're in a new city, going through a divorce, or heaven forbid, both at the same time. Maybe you're adjusting to being an empty nester, or dealing with the loss of a loved one. Loneliness doesn't discriminate. It can hit anyone at any stage of life. Here's how to fight back. First, acknowledge your feelings of loneliness. Name it. Recognize what you're feeling and how it's impacting your life. Ask yourself, have you retreated within? Is loneliness affecting your work or relationships? Has it changed your mood? Second, try to open up to the people you know. Isolation increases loneliness, so make an effort to reach out. Share what you're feeling with someone you trust. No one to confide in? Consider talking to a pastor, a counselor, or a therapist. Third, find an activity you enjoy. Engage in hobbies that connect you with others. Running clubs, art classes, book clubs, nonprofit work, church groups. I enjoy playing bluegrass music, so I know every Wednesday night there's an open mic jam. That's a great opportunity to go and meet people. Or I also enjoy mountain biking. I know at least 3 different mountain bike groups in my area of people that get together weekly to ride bikes. The key is to put yourself out there. Fourth, increase your community connections. Choose the checkout lane with a familiar store clerk. Or chat with a coworker at the break room. I know this used to drive my father-in-law nuts. He would go into the break room where he worked, and all he saw was everybody staring at their phone. Nobody talked to each other in the break room anymore, and it broke his heart. Spend a couple of extra minutes talking to a neighbor. We recently got to know our next door neighbor who just had a baby, and it's been great getting to know them. 5, practice self-care. Self-care isn't selfish. It's essential. Here's some ideas. Take yourself out on a coffee date. Try a new workout or a sport. Spend time in nature. Going on a hike, a walk, or even just time sitting in a park. Practice gratitude journaling. Enjoy a relaxing bath or sauna. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and hydration. This isn't just theory. Studies show that people who actively work on deepening relationships report a 50% increase in overall happiness. And here's the kicker. They also make more money, have better health, and live longer. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your relationships. Start applying these small changes today and watch how fast everything transforms. Now, before you go, drop a comment. What's one habit you're going to change this week to reconnect with people? I'm reading and responding to every single comment. My name is Stephen Kofer. Thanks for stopping by. This channel is for anyone ready to take ownership of their future. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the willingness to start. And I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. Click this video next because YouTube thinks you're going to love it. I'll see you there.